sklearn. Metrics. Consensus score. Description. This metric evaluates the consensus of multiple classifiers or estimators by comparing their predictions. It is particularly useful for situations where you have a collection of models and want to quantify their agreement on a set of samples. Inputs. Y true, the true labels or target values for the samples. It should be a 1D array. Ypred, a list of predicted labels or target values from each classifier. It should be a list of 1D arrays, where each array corresponds to the predictions of a single classifier. The length of the list should be equal to the number of classifiers. Outputs. Score, a single scalar value representing the consensus score. Higher values indicate better agreement among the classifiers. This score ranges from 0 to 1, where 0 represents no agreement and 1 represents perfect agreement. Steps. For each sample, count the number of times each unique predicted label appears in the list of predictions from all classifiers. Calculate the consensus score as the ratio of the most frequent predicted label, the label with the highest count, to the total number of classifiers. Metrics. Consensus score. This is the primary output of the metric, ranging from 0 to 1. It quantifies the agreement between the classifiers' predictions. Visualization plots. Confusion matrix. This plot can visually represent the agreement between classifiers. It can be created by plotting the predicted labels against the true labels, with different colors representing different classifiers. Fine-tune parameters. None. This metric does not have any tunable parameters. Uncertainty methods. None. This metric does not directly provide uncertainty estimates. However, you could potentially use other metrics like confidence scores or probability estimates from individual classifiers to assess uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Dealing with ties if multiple labels have the same highest count. The consensus score calculation might not be well defined. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. Imagine 3 classifiers predicting 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0 for the same sample. In this case, both labels 0 and 1 have a count of 2, leading to a tie. Fixes to challenge 1. You could either arbitrarily choose one of the tied labels or use a method to break ties, such as random selection or employing additional information from the classifiers. Challenge 2. Interpretation of low consensus. A low consensus score doesn't necessarily mean the classifiers are all wrong. It could indicate that the underlying task is inherently difficult or that the classifiers are specialized in different aspects of the data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. If you have classifiers trained on different datasets or with different objectives, they might have differing predictions even if they are all performing reasonably well. Fixes to challenge 2. Carefully analyze the reasons behind low consensus. Consider examining the predictions of individual classifiers, their training data, and the task's complexity to understand the underlying cause.